Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're going to talk about this LG bumpers. Alright, so let's start with today's video, let's go. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the LG bumpers. So this bumper, the idea is basically came from a YouTuber from Japan, and his channel is Chronicrew. So I will put his channel right over here. So if you are interested on this setup, the LG bumpers, you can definitely go to his channel and take a look at how he make it. All right, and also for this this person, like this YouTuber, and he also always give new information about when does Tamiya release new stuff. Then he will do introductions and show you what is coming up, so then you will have idea, oh, what's new. Okay, and the other thing is he also is gonna show you the track, what does the Japan Cup has this year. As long as there's a new information, whatever, it's just gonna update for you. So that's very good for everybody. Whoever wants to know something new about the Tamiya, you can straight go follow his channel, and then once he updated, then you can take a look at it. And then back to the LG bumpers. So for the LG bumpers, it's basically the same, pretty much similar idea about the like the anchor system that we used to have, but the way he do it is much more easier than the anchor bumper, because as you guys know, the anchor bumper, we have to using the rear damper plate, and we also have to using the mushroom head and the springs. So here I'm gonna give you an example. So here is the anchor systems. Okay, so that's the anchor system that we have, and then but the way he did it is basically using the O-ring to hold this plates at the position. So as you can see here, this one here, I just do just give you example. So I didn't follow it exactly the 100%, but the movement, everything, the function is still the same. So you can see their AT is still working like the AT, and also this one he makes us like the sliding. So he using the 2 MS brake, those two pieces, and to hold the position for the this plate, and then you can do the sliding. And it's basically using the O-ring to tight the plate at the middle position, and whenever it's moving, then you will pull it back. It's moving, it pull it back. So you can see it's like that, and then it's very simple. And also there's more details about the LG bumper, but I hope you guys can straight go to his channel and take a look at it, because he will show you more. Even though you don't understand what he is speaking, obviously he speaks Japanese, but the hobby we play, we only need to see how he do it. Then we can have some we can have some idea, because he will just show you how he made it, and those from whatever you can learn from that. It doesn't really have to understand what does he talking about, but you can still understand what he's doing, because he was just show you step by step. Also there's some idea that he has, and he gonna show you as well. So I will say go check his channel, and then he will show you some details about this LG bumpers. And by the way, here I want to say something. If you're interested on this LG bumper, because this LG bumper, I would say, is very, very good and very, very easy for the people if you are really just new into this hobby. And also the cost for this LG bumper is way lower than making an anchor bumper. So this is probably also a good idea, and also a good options for you to make it if you are just a beginner. Okay, but by the way, because I have seen there's a lots of people, they see this LG system on YouTube, and then they start making their LG systems, and then for this LG bumper, they straight just post it on their social media. But here's one thing I want to let you know. if you are taking other people's idea, no matter you are from you saw that from YouTube or you saw that from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, any social media, if you see the idea from other people and he is the one create this system, this LG bumper, let's say, then I would say you should give this person credit about the system you are making. Just mention that, like, just tell them people, oh, I tried this LG bumpers, and that's from the YouTuber I saw on the YouTube, the Chronicrew, and I think that would be good because it's good for you and good for him because he spent a lot of time. Because as me, as a creator, and for the YouTube channels, I also make a lot of different type of the systems, but I see those people are using it, that's fine. But if you are posting it, I would say it would be better if give the creator a credit because you spend maybe just 10 minutes, but the person who create this system, he might spend a year, 6 months, 3 months, but he spent the time more than you just watching that 10 minutes, that's for sure. So I think that would be the great for us in this hobby, and to do that as shows our respect to the creators. Okay, all right, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, thank you very much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.